Do you want to know how you can log into your Foundation AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Foundation AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Foundation AI Login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the login portal of Foundation AI. You can see these boxes over here which says email and password. What you need to do is write down your email address and password associated with Foundation AI. Then click login. This way you can successfully log into your foundationai.com. If you want your browser to remember you the next time you try to log in, go ahead and click remember me. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click create account and you can create a free Foundation AI account. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. This was a video on how you can log into your Foundation AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.